Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Samsung Health syncing with Strava via Webhooks, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Samsung Health website. Log into your Samsung account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings menu within your Samsung Health dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled App Connections or Link Apps. Select this option to view a list of available third-party applications. Scroll through the list and find Strava. Click on Strava to proceed with the connection setup. You will be prompted to authorize the linking of your Strava account with Samsung Health. Log into your Strava account using your Strava credentials. Grant any requested permissions for Samsung Health to access your Strava data. Once you've authorized the connection, look for settings specific to webhooks within your Strava account. Navigate to Strava's settings and find the API section. Here, you will see an option to create a new webhook. Provide the necessary information for the webhook, including the endpoint URL from Samsung Health. Make sure to set up the webhook to listen for specific events like new activities. Save the webhook configuration once you've filled in all required fields. Return to the Samsung Health website to finalize the synchronization process. Make sure the sync settings are enabled to allow data transfer between Samsung Health and Strava. Test the setup by syncing a new activity in Samsung Health and checking if it appears in your Strava account. If everything is configured correctly, your activity should now sync seamlessly between the two platforms. Double-check your settings if you encounter any issues during the sync process. Continuous updates between your devices and apps may require periodic checks of your settings. Now you have successfully enabled Samsung Health syncing with Strava via webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.